Robert. Oh. You're doing it. Your dad, you had a really cool thing last week. You're doing it, Mom. We love your dad.
Thanks.
And we love you.
Thank you so much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get two of the roots to come. Are you really? It's very cute. They're like,
not even thinking about it. No, they won't. No, don't even. They're not even thinking about it.
Well,
No,
okay.
they're very.
So
sure.
I'll start you off, then you join in.
Yep.
Ready? Let's.
All right. What else you have here? Oh no, this looks like something big.
Do you come? We've got the biggest in the world right here. So we've got 100-pound that's going to come out. We're going to kneel right down here. We're going to sit down, and it's going to get a bit chaotic. Okay, so first up, we're going to come on, guys. It's a big Africa.
Stay in the area. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can come right in there. Just
I don't mind a baby water. This is an amazing thing. Yeah. There's more coming. Yeah, that is not milk. Thank you.
Yeah, isn't that wild? You can touch it if you want. It's
no thanks.
It's kind of weird. It's got a really distinct smell. Look at the size of Africa. Come.
B-Train. I said 1 thought, 2